Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a designer egg. This is a very interesting way to prepare eggs. Your kids will be super excited and they'll finish the egg in no time. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have separated the yolk and egg whites of 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt to both the bowls. Beat it well with a fork. Now your eggs are ready. Heat a pan and spread some oil on it. When the pan is hot, place a vessel like this in the center and pour the egg white on the outer circle. Let this cook for a few seconds. When the egg white is well cooked and ready, remove the vessel and place another small one in the center. Now pour the egg yolk in the gap. Let this cook for a few more seconds. When the yolk is well done, remove the vessel and place another small one in the center. Pour the egg whites in the gap. Allow it to cook for a few seconds. When the egg white is done, remove the vessel and pour the yolk in the center. Let this cook for a few more seconds. Now the egg is well done and ready, so remove from the pan. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, interesting and a healthy recipe. So do try this designer egg recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.